Jason Wu Beauty sent me over a few goodies to try out, so I'm gonna try them out here with you guys and we'll see what it's all about. We're gonna start with the Jason Wu Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. I have shade Skin 5, so we're gonna see how this looks on my skin. I feel like this is gonna be a pretty good match. Generally, skin tints are a little bit more sheer. If it doesn't match super well, your skin kind of still peeks through and it still looks good. So we're gonna see. It actually is a perfect match. It is a very sheer formula, but it looks beautiful on the skin. It's very, very skin-like. I'm just gonna add a little bit more on my brush and see how it builds up. I think that looks beautiful on the skin. My skin tone just looks overall more even and perfected. I already went ahead and did concealer since I didn't have concealer from Jason Wu Beauty. I just used my own, but we're gonna go in with the cream bronzer. I'm super excited to use this as well. It's a beautiful shade, and I'm gonna go in with a brush. This is a little contour brush from Delium Tools. It is the 942 slanted contour brush, and I'm just dipping in here. Start applying this to my cheekbone. Wow, that is pigmented. It is a stunning shade. Add a little bit of warmth to my forehead. Don't forget the top of the ears. Blends super seamlessly into the skin. That is gorgeous. There we have it all blended out, and I do have to say this looks stunning on the skin. You can see my whole face is nice and warmed up, everything blended super easily. This is definitely one of my favorite products so far. Before anything creases, we're gonna go in with the Jason Wu setting powder. This is Ready Set Matte in translucent. This powder comes with its own puff. I'm gonna go ahead and load the puff with powder, and I'm gonna go into my under eyes. Wow, that is soft. This powder puff is really soft. The powder is super lightweight, very blurring, and looks really nice under the eyes. It's not heavy at all. We have the Groom by Mr. Wu brow pencil. I got the shade 02 medium. It seems to be a really good color for my brows. It's one of those more precise brow pencils. I'm just gonna use little hair-like strokes and see what this looks like. Looks pretty good. I like that the pencil is not super soft, so it's not breaking or anything. It's applying the perfect amount of color, and it's not like overdoing the brows. One of the products that I've heard about the most from Jason Wu Beauty is the brow gel. It's supposed to be one of the best brow gels. So let's see, I have high hopes for this. Not a lot of product comes off on the brush, which I like. It's very like buildable, so you don't get like chunky brows, and the brush is really nice. Let's jump right into eyes and try the Wu Prime Eye Primer. I'm gonna take this on the back of my hand and apply it with a brush. Seems to be a tinted primer, so it does have like a base color. It is a very light color. Look at this cute little eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful tones in it. I love that it's more cool tone. I'm gonna go right in with the middle shade and set that primer. And I'm just using a fluffy brush. This is a Wayne Goss number 05. Let's jump right into this mid-tone right here at the bottom, number 8. I'm just running this through my crease. Now I am gonna note these are a little bit powdery. It's not affecting the performance, going on really well, but they are releasing a lot of powder and product, just so you're aware. Let's try to deepen this up. I'm gonna go for this mid-tone right here, and I'm just applying this on the outer V of the eye and working it about halfway through the crease. Let's go for the deepest shade in the palette with a little pencil brush, another Wayne Goss brush. This is number 7. Gotta tap off the excess, and I'm gonna start building the closest to the lash line. Here are the 3 shimmer options we have. I'm gonna swatch them for you on the hand. One is a very like glittery, more chunky glitter shade, and then we have 2 shimmers right here. I think I'm gonna go in with that middle shimmer first and then put some of the glitter on top of it. And I'm just gonna apply this with a finger and tap it onto like the center of my lid. That is very pretty. It does release a lot more sparkle on the eye. I'm impressed with that one. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the glitter and tap over that as well. I actually really love that. If you don't like a heavy glitter, this is probably not for you, but I love this for like a night out kind of look. Definitely a party palette. Jason Wu makes this really cool dual-ended liner. It's called the Kitty liner. One side is a pencil, like a traditional eyeliner, and one side is a felt tip marker liner. I'm gonna start with the pencil side and start lining my upper lash line. Now we're gonna try the felt tip side and do like a little baby wing. As I've encountered probably the first product I don't really like. This liner is very dry. It's a little bit hard to work with. It got the job done, but it was a little bit of a struggle. Now I don't know if mine's defective or not, but the felt tip side is very dry. I've already curled my lashes like I normally do, So we're going in with the Jason Wu Hot Fluff Lash Volume and Length Mascara. This is what the wand looks like. Definitely gives length and a little bit of volume. It is a little bit of a drier formula. The brush really separates and lengthens your lashes though. I really like that. I hope it lasts throughout the day. I will keep you guys updated on the mascara and see how long it lasts. For a blush, they sent me two options. Number one in Sweet Pea, and they sent me this trio, which is, I think it was their holiday. This is Drive to Napa trio. So we have some beautiful, like more fall tones in this one. I think I'm gonna go with a Sweet Pea. This is so cute and I love the embossing on it. I'm just taking this on a fluffy brush. It is a more warm tone pale pink, and I'm just gonna start building this on my cheeks. It is a very light pink shade, has a very strong white base. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this one right here, the Drive to Napa. I'm gonna use the middle shade just because I need something a little bit deeper. That's more my speed. I love this one. Jason Wu highlighting palette. These shades look stunning. I'm gonna go for the center one, which is the more golden shade. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. It almost reminds me of a really high-end one that I use all the time. Has the same kind of vibe, but that is stunning. Wow, my favorite product out of all of them. I'm gonna add a little bit of the really light shade just to add a little extra pop. Ooh, that is popping. The highlighter is definitely one that you have to pick up. We're gonna do a little Jason Wu Beauty lip liner. I've used the lip liners before, I really like them. This one's in the shade Nudist. We have the Bullet lipstick, the Hot Fluff lipstick in the shade Caramel Suede. For the gloss, we have Almond Latte, and I think this is gonna be one of my favorite shades. Gonna line the lip, not what I expected. It is a little bit more pale than the color that it shows, like way more pale, and it's very orange. I'm gonna grab my other Jason Wu lip liner in the shade Luminous. This one fits me a lot better. It's a deeper brown shade, and I'm just gonna mix the two. So they both lean very warm. It's definitely not gonna go with this eyeshadow look, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, let's go in with the lipstick. It's a pretty shade, but it definitely does not match the packaging. The shade is a lot more warm than the package is. The packaging looks a lot more like pinky tone. The formula feels amazing though. The formula is like really soft, very comfortable. I do like the formula. Let's go in with the gloss. This is a beautiful shade. I do like the lip combo, but I definitely wouldn't do it with this eye makeup. Okay, everybody, this is the final look using all of the wonderful things Jason Wu Beauty sent over. I did like most of it, but I definitely have to be honest with you guys. The eyeshadows, I think the mattes definitely need a little bit of work. They are super powdery and not the most pigmented. They do build up nicely. You can see I did a look, but it did take a little bit of work to get there. The shimmers are beautiful. I do like the shimmers. The glitter, although it looks beautiful on your eyes, it does get everywhere. The eyeliner I would totally skip because this was very dry. I did not like this product. This is probably the only product that I would say completely skip. Everything else overall was pretty great. I really like the tinted moisturizer. My skin looks amazing. The highlighter, if you're gonna pick something up, definitely pick this highlighter up. Stunning. And this setting powder, I have to say my under eyes look amazing. I really like the setting powder. Super lightweight, comes with the puff. There's a lot of product in here and it just looks beautiful. Thank you so much to Jason Wu Beauty for sending over all of these wonderful products. I had a great time trying them out. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.